Okay, here we're back. Dayless motherfucker on YouTube has returned, and I got something a little bit different this time. This is an unboxing, or no, not a video game. No, not a freaking what else do I do? Oh, punching bag stuff or boxing gloves or anything like that. This is something a little different. This is a replacement for an M4 that I broke. This puppy right here. See, it's all taped and all that stuff. It's all it's all in bad shape. Makes me want to cry. And then yeah, it's all even the front of it's taped. But now it's to the point where this is falling off and I can't put a strap on it no more. It's just kind of sucks. It breaks my heart. Actually, it doesn't even chamber. I can't even use this thing anymore. This won't go back because it's taped, and I have to have the tape that high in order to yeah. So we're replacing that puppy. And of course, you already see this other one here, but that's my stay-at-home. That's my home defense one. That's the Colt. This is a Colt, and this is almost the exact same thing as the one that I picked up. And this puppy, and this one here is actually a Colt. And this, of course, got the flashlight and all that stuff right on it. Oh, blinded by the light. And yeah, so that's my M4 collection. But here is my new one that we're going to be unboxing. You see, 322 feet per second. This thing hurts. Yeah, and what else does it say here? It says 322 feet per second, 0.6 joule max energy, and maximum range is 24 yards or 26 meters. Magazine capacity is 500. Weighs 2.82 pounds, or 1,280 grams. It weighs 32.78 inches and 83.26 centimeters. Operation is spring mechanism. It comes with a RIS handguard and 500 capacity. We already got to that, but detachable folding stock. Yeah, we know that. A flashlight, soft air goggles, tactical grip. So here we go. I'll show you today. All this on the box is coming this time. It's like Christmas Day. The M4. The M4. Of course. We use the M4s when I'm playing Call of Duty or Battlefield. Doesn't matter which one. Or Medal of Honor. If there was a M4 in freaking... there is an M4 in Call of Duty. In Killzone 3. I use that usually. I use the SMG in that, but I don't really care for that. I still use it. It's because it's an M4. I'm picky like that. I'm picky. Alright, so we have started. It has begun the opening process. We do not want to make it too crazy like. Usually you should see me at Christmas time. I rip this hard. Yeah, they're trying taping it with as much stuff to see how long it would take me to get through it. But guys, do it like real. The nerdy box opening. Oh, look at that. Oh. It's kind of sexy. Just peeling it back. Peeling it back, son. Peeling it back. Alright, we don't need the knife. Look at it. Brought to you by Swiss Army Knife. My dad's sharp as fuck, man. You don't want to go near that thing. You got it a deer. Alright, here we are. It is about to be unboxed. The box is coming off. Oh, you come to safety goggles. The DPMS A11 RIS version. Or an M4. Safety instructions. Yeah, definitely be careful. Do not aim at yourself. Do not look inside the barrel. Never aim at another creature unless you want. Well, no, never aim at a creature. Be careful for ricochets. Don't let kids hold it. If you have a question, call this number. Instructions. I didn't get that sight with this thing. Alright, so we got that pretty basic. Yep, some basic stuff there. US and Canada. Oh, they actually included Canada. Oh my god. Wow. See, we can get along. See, we can get along. Yes, anyway. Shut up, ugliest dude on YouTube. Hey, it comes with its own strap. Huh. Well, geez, I thought I was gonna have to make my own fucking strap. Alright. Oh, I guess we do need a Swiss knife again. Go figure. Who would have thought they would have freaking put the... I ripped my nail out there. Ow. Mean. Come on, we got a weak spot. There we go. Got it. Come on, we slide out. Oh, muscle cramp. Muscle cramp. Ow, that. Ow. Ah. I had a muscle cramp in the middle of unboxing. Jeez, you wouldn't think unboxing would be so stressful. but you know, sometimes you're just wrong. Sometimes you're just wrong. Oh, yeah. Low sexy. Low sexy. Oh, baby. Oh, okay, comes with goggles. I think we're gonna have to wear these for the rest of the... We're gonna have to wear these for the rest of the unboxing, man. Straight Charles, man. Alright. Ooh. Want to see the stock first? Alright, so here's your telescopic stock. Just like in the video games. In real life. Ah. Ew, crunchiness. I hope they made this better than the Colt version. Because you know that this was a Crossman Stinger R34, and that was probably the best one. And this one here, the Colt, is powerful as all hell, but man, it's got a weak barrel, and so is this. This got a weak barrel too. But yeah. Only one magazine? Good thing I got this one here. And this one. Yeah, magazines. Alright, so we got a bunch of magazines. And we got... Oh. I dropped the damn controller. Fuck's sake. I don't know how I'm going to do this now. Alright. And... Actually, you know what? This baby's more sturdy than the Colt. Thank God. I bet you it's less powerful though. That Colt is powerful. So then you take your stock, and that's ready to go. Now we got this thing up and run it, and front grip. I wonder if this is going to go down further on the thing this time. Yeah! Yes! Oh yeah, the DPMS is a much better version. Holy Lord! Yes, man! That goes... Oh, I hated that about that. It's so forward, like... This one here can go anywhere. That's great. Great! The magazine doesn't fall out. Oh, can't have it all. Yeah. So let's there is the DPS. Look at this puppy. This thing is beautiful. This thing is beautiful, man. I'm in love. I'm in so much love right now. I can't even describe it. Can't even describe it to you. So I guess what I could do is take it off the red dot off the I think I want to wear these glasses for every video now. These are the coolest glasses in the world, man. I look like a freaking space cadet, man. I look like a space cadet. I'm proud, son. I'm a proud space cadet. Where are the batteries? Where are the batteries? Oh, there's batteries. What comes with 4? Where's it coming for? Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Oh, this thing is a masterpiece right now. I tell you that much. I am having some fun opening up this paper. I need to see for a second here. Let's wing it. Let's wing it. Try if it works this way. If it doesn't work this way, we'll flip it around, do it the other way. I wonder what color the light is on this sucker. Whoa! Ah, I almost lost that down the chair. Almost ripped a piece of my skin off trying to get it out of the chair too. Get freaking hairs everywhere and everything now. Oh, yep. That's the right way to do it. Oh, we got a flashlight. Let there be light. And he said, let there be light. And there was light. Shining in my eyes. Oh, shining lights in the eyes. Oh, we're playing Battlefield. See? Battlefield, yeah, it does kind of blind you, doesn't it? And this is a low light. The ones that the soldiers use. Soldiers use a high-powered one that actually do blind you. Well, actually, well, really, they're bright. You're not supposed to look at them. But anyway, that's why you're supposed to have the shades, right? You gotta have the shades on. It'd be cool. So, I think they made. I think the DPMS is better than Colt. If you're gonna buy an Airsoft, make sure you buy the DPMS or DPMS, yeah, or DPMS. Jesus. Oh, I can't get nothing right. Oh, well, let's just open it with our hands. I was gonna use the knife, but I say, like the Punisher shirt. Yeah, Frank Castle, son. It's like the Armory. This is the Armory. The Viper Armory, man. We might call it the Viper Armory, maybe. I don't know, it's new. It's a new thing, I don't usually do. I got zigs. Shit. I kinda let that out of the bag. So. Crazy fucker. Alright, so we put the thingamajiggy on the thingamajiggy, just like that. And then, do you want this on the right hand side? Or the left hand side? I have it on the right hand side on that one. Do we want it on the right hand side again? Sure, why not? Sure, why not? It's pretty good, even it stays on there pretty good, and I didn't even put the bolts in there yet. But the top needs a little work. The glue. Oh, we're working on my M4 because we just got it in the box. Sorry. There. Down here. I don't want to fuck. I don't want to lose anything either. Oh, whatever. Yeah, just let there be light. Let there be light. Shades off. Hey, why aren't you fitting in that hole? Why aren't you fitting in that hole? Uh-oh. Oh shit, that's why I was not putting in the hole. Jesus. Oh, rough times. Uh-oh, the fan's going crazy now. No, we didn't have to take the whole thing off. We just had to freaking take the screw out, you know? Do. So you put the screws in like so. I think this is just going to be for me more than anything. Because I said I got this doing. I needed a replacement. That stock was killing me. The fact that I broke that stock was killing me. I gotta learn never to crawl. Once the strap is on, never to crawl with the strap on. Always hold it in your hand. Always hold it in your hand. It's too delicate. The positive note though is this has a tougher barrel. So there we are. And just like the other M4. Oh, nice. The only thing that's different with the other M4 is that I can move the freaking front anywhere I want. See, I can't move this. They're like twins, but they're not. The Colt is a horrible version. I can't stress, and we'll use about the same. Yes, sirree, Bob. So, can you tell the difference? Can you tell the difference? Again, because of this one's got grip here. Alright, so yeah. Yeah, this is definitely not going to be YouTube. This is just for fun. Going to place in my so there we are. Oh, look at that. I like the fact that this moves anywhere though. You want the front grip up there, you can have it there. There, you can have it there. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. It's real nice. It's got the same sights as the Colt. The Colt does have better sights though, I'll give it that. And when I first bought it, I thought the carrying handle came out. Oh, where's my shade? I forgot about my shades, man. Oh, cool shades, son. Hey, man. I got my M4 back. Yeah. Very nice. Very, very, very fucking nice. I love this thing. I love this thing already. Alright, they give us this strap, but that's kind of shitty for my taste. I don't even use that at all. And a whole lot of BBs. 1,000 BBs it says. These things are fucking hard too. Holy fuck, these things will hurt. Holy jeez, you don't want to get hit with these things at all. Those things are solid, man. That's not soft air. That's hurt air. Fuck, that's gonna hurt. Man, these things are serious rounds. These are fucking... That there's not for... Oh, I'm not gonna even be showing that anyway. Ooh. What's this? 6mm. That didn't sound good. You're not supposed to squeeze it back. What are you doing, you moron, man? What the fuck, son? Let me get my second little screwdriver. And there we go. This thing is a masterpiece. It is beautiful. It is so beautiful. I can't even stress the beauty of the beautifulness of the beautiful of the beautiful beautiness of the beautifulness of the beautifulness of the beautifulness. So let me take her. How come this is so sticky? You're scaring me. I don't think it's going to go through there now. Why are you so sticky? What the hell were you guys doing while I was gone? That you're so sticky. Like, seriously, man. Holy fuck! What the hell, man? Alright, put my cool shades on. My cool shades on, son. You understand what I'm saying? Oh, I love this thing already, man. It's so nice to be back. Solid. I don't gotta worry about it falling off or breaking. You gotta worry about the barrel. I got some cool shades there, man. Really cool shades. Liking the shades. Got both my M4s now have flashlights. That's really cool. I think that's really cool. And they now got a fucker. So you're going to be replaced, my friend. My hard-working friend that did its job for quite some long time. It's a shame this thing is broke. Like, can you see how it's fucked? Poor thing. See, like, it's not supposed to be that low. Right. I taped it and it just doesn't stay. I'm like, oh, it just makes me sad. But this thing was beautiful. And the thing that's good about this one is that the barrel had a metal thing inside it, and that is much better than the plastic. It's just plastic. The break really easy. I got very careful those. Gotta be very careful not to break these things. As long as I don't crawl strapped down my back, I should be alright. Anyway, let's go with the cool shades, man. These are my new video game shades, man. I'm gonna wear these fuckers all the time. I miss this. I will miss though. What I could do is I could take off the stock and turn it into SMG. But the only problem with that is my front grips are on my other M4s when they should be on the SMG. So that's kind of that's kind of a downer. So anyway, I guess this is the ugliest motherfucker on YouTube. About to sign out. Yes, I'm an ugly son of a bitch. Hey. So, my poor M4 will be retiring. My retiring M4. And my newly commissioned officer, the DPMS, right? DPMS, bada bang, A11, DPMS M11. Anyway, not being a goofball, I need to find a scissors to cut this here little pointy thing off, and put this thing to some work. Yeah. Sir, sign out. Ugliest motherfucker. YouTube. Gone.